Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Lady Like Me. This is Sherry. I just made a video comparing Impress nails and Kiss nails. This will be the second part of that video. It's been a week since I have the nails on and unfortunately something happened, so I think I'm ready to give you an update. So I was planning on wearing the nails for 2 weeks, but after a week my nail broke, not because of a glue issue, but because when I was in the kitchen cutting a piece of meat, my knife unfortunately landed on my nail. Ouch, I know. So here you can see my nail. I am unharmed, don't worry. I really don't have any plans in doing it tonight, but since I already lost a nail, it's time to take off these nails. Just a little heads up, some of you might find this clip, well the next clip, gross because I am here to show you the real deal of what your nails will look like after using Impress and Kiss nails. What I'm doing here is taking off the kiss nails first. I have a video on how to take off kiss nails specifically. I will put it in the description box of this video. I did not have any problems in taking it off because obviously the Mia glue is not as strong anymore. I can pop off my nails easily. How to take off Impress nails? It's super easy. All you have to do is grab your manicure stick, use the sharper edge and slowly insert it between your nails and the artificial nails. All you're really doing here is picking the adhesive so that you can completely take off the nail. I will make a full video about it soon so that I can explain to you further, but don't worry, this technique does not hurt at all. It's super easy to do. Here's the residue from both of the kiss nails and the Impress nails. I'm done with washing my hands with warm water and soap. Now I'm buffing my nails slightly. I usually would give my nails a day or two for the glue to vanish, but for the Impress, it's easier because all I really have to do is take off the adhesive. It is easier than taking off the glue from Kiss. Also, after I take off my nails, my favorite chores to do is to wash the dishes by hand. I enjoy the warm water and I know that it softens the remaining glue on my nails, so I do it. Now, for the biggest question, are these nails reusable? To answer this, let's first take a look at the used nails. I am taking the Impress nail first, and what I'm doing here is I'm taking off all of the adhesive. This is what the Impress nail looks like after I took off all of the adhesive. Now what I'm doing is I will try to use it in my nails again and let's see if it sticks to my natural nails. By the way, excuse my nails. It still has all of the residue from Impress and Kiss, and also I know that you can tell obviously that I have a little cut right there. It's from using nipper. I'm so clumsy, from the knife that landed on my thumb to now the nipper. I am going to stop talking about my clumsiness. Let's concentrate on the nail. Let's see if this one works. This is actually my first time, so I'm also interested to know if I can reuse Impress nail. Let's wait for this one to dry. Let's go ahead and do the Kiss nails. So this is an up close of what Kiss looks like after use. If you ask me if I reuse my nails, well, I have a definitive explanation and answer to this. In a way, I kind of reuse Kiss nails. What I mean by this is sometimes after 5 days of having this on my nails, 1 or 2 nails would fall off and then I would glue it back again. I would usually try to keep my Kiss nails intact for a week or sometimes 2 weeks. It depends on my mood. After that, I take them all off and never use it again. I do not take them off and keep it for future use. No, I prefer not to reuse kiss nails because it's impossible to clean, and if you look at the back portion of the nail, it's not as smooth, hence it won't lay as flat because of the previous glue that's in there. There's a way to make the most out of these nail sets. Just like Impress nails, since you still have a lot of remaining nails, it will be enough to cover the second batch of your manicure. For the second batch, I know that the nails would be a little bit bigger, but all you really have to do is shape them according to your nail size. For the kiss nails, you'll get 28 to 30 nails, so it really covers up, or it's enough for 2 manicures. That's the safest way if you really want to make the most out of these nails. For sanitary purposes, be mindful of reusing nails. So there you go, my answer is no, but for the sake of this video, let's try and reuse the kiss nails. I will show you what it looks like and I will tell you what I feel. For my curious viewers, this is what the used kiss nails look like on my finger. Both Impress and Kiss nails surprisingly adhered to my nails. Unlike the Impress, which laid flat on my nail, Kiss feels a little bit bulkier. I would like to know if you do reuse these nails or not. Comment down below, I would really love to know. Anyway, I will no longer test the durability of these particular nails. After this video, I am going to take it off and clean my nails again. And that's it for this video. I really hope that I answered your question. Thank you so much for watching. If you find this video helpful, let your girl know by giving it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Click the bell button beside it to be notified for a new video. Have a great day, everyone. I will see you next time. Bye!